Did you try to kiss her?
I did, and it didn't go well, but you know what? I went for it. She didn't respect it, and
He like tried to kiss me and I didn't know how to react, so I just said that I don't kiss on the first date.
Hey, it sounds like you did a little bit more than kiss on the first date.
Oh, really?
Well, then what does that say about you if you didn't even get a kiss?
All right. Weston, we made
A line dancing country bar.
Wow. That doesn't look like line dancing.
Because he's a line.
The one.
Are you the one?
I don't know.
We'll
You tell
see.
me. Yeah, we'll see.
Good place in the city. I basically held a lot of the conversation. He had one great question, Andy.
Which was what?
What's your favorite?
Come on, really? Hey, came to my head and I asked it, okay? What is her favorite color?
I think it was.
I don't remember. Okay. Any red flags for you during the date?
There were a few red flags.
Okay. I'm all ears.
Yeah.
Me too. Do tell.
Well, right away you kind of mentioned you had cramps, and that was a big red flag because I've never been on a date where a girl says
it.
I have
said
cramps.
I wasn't a You're like, what's wrong? And I said, I have cramps.
Okay.
So, yeah. You
And
know
that-
what, Greg? When they get their period, back to life, buddy.
Yeah. I went with it. No, I went with it. So what? Okay.
My last relationship ended because he was allergic to cats. I'm a great catch. Crazy cat ladies, we do it best.
I have a loud mouth. I tend to repel a lot of men, and the ones that are into it seem to be narcissistic psychopaths. Like, this guy looked me in the eye and he was like, yeah, I think it's really important for women to stay home with their children. And then he stared at me and I was like, this guy collects toenail clippings. Like, no.
Next.
We went to cat yoga.
You went to cat yoga.
Yes.
You could literally go in and like hang out with these cats and do yoga.
Really girly to you now, but I was actually a professional athlete back in the day. I was an NBA cheerleader.
So where we are right now, there's a bathtub full of balls. And I bet John that if he lost, he had to get into the bathtub full of balls. Lots of... Before politics, you told me that you were allergic to cats.
That's true. And you have cats?
She's a crazy cat lady.
Right.
I'm not a crazy cat
You are a
lady.
crazy cat lady.
I'm actually a 24-year-old divorcee. We weren't.
Husband shopping is so much work. I went on a date from the dating app. I found a sex doll. I don't want to be your arm candy. I
Told a fib. I'm so sorry.
I'm a liar.
I was like, where's the pizza? Where's the burger? Like, you have to love pizza.
She's a crazy cat lady.
Right.
I'm not a crazy cat
You are a
lady.
crazy cat lady. She's a crazy cat lady.
Right.
I'm not a crazy cat
You are a
lady.
crazy cat lady.
So what does that say about you if you didn't even get a kiss? So what does that say about you if you didn't even get a kiss?
I'm a liar.